In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color of the enter using password text on the password protected page in Shopify.theme. And for this example, I change the color of the text to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for the on theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop down menu, then select password. On the left side of the screen, click on the password header, then expand the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the text. Let me right click on it, then select inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select these two classes. The first one is modal_toggle-open, and the second one is password-link. Perfect, let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period modal_toggle-open period password-link. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between there, press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Now copy the hex code, including the hashtag, and go back to the editor and paste it right here. And finally, add the semicolon at the end. Once you add this rule at the top right corner, click on save. Then go back to your website and try refreshing the password protected page. And as you can see, the color of the text was successfully updated. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please scan my channel. Thank you.